Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my September IPSY bag. I did just get it today and I wanted to quickly come on here and not waste any time with sharing with you guys what exactly I got. Came in this nice velvet bag. I know that 3 items that I picked, and then there was a few other items they sent me. And of course, they do not put prices or anything. They did give me a card. Let's start with the stuff I picked. So I did pick this Complex Culture brush. This is, you guys know, you have seen me with a lot of these. I have picked a lot of them on my channel. Every time they have these brushes, I pick them because I think they're beautiful. This is the box that was damaged. I think they're beautiful and just great quality brushes, and this is what it looks like. So pretty. Has the gold and then the handle. They're so soft. This one here is the Press and Set bronzer. That's going to be really nice to use. And then I have the other ones here that I got in previous boxes. This one is the Plush Powder. I have yet to use it. I don't know why. And then this was one I also got, was the Contour brush. They're so soft. I don't know why I haven't used them. I guess I'm just holding on to them because they're so pretty. But yeah, so I just picked that other one this month. I figured why not add it to the collection. Anytime I see brushes on there, I'm going to want the brushes over anything else. The thing that I picked was from Space Case Cosmetics. I do like this brand. I have a few things from this brand. I really do enjoy them. And really do like them, but this is what it looks like. That's the out packaging. It says it's a quad of eyeshadows, so it does have a little mirror, and this is what they look like. It looks like they're all shimmers. Very pretty. Let's swatch them and see. Now I will say off the bat, I did swipe my finger in that and it did come off very pigmented, but when you actually touch the shadows, they're very dry. They're like one of the driest formulas that I've ever tried. They're not buttery at all, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. We'll see. I picked this just because I thought it was so cute and the choices weren't that great, but it's okay. It's not the best. Maybe I need to scrape that first layer off, but I can't get that first one. Okay, so there are the swatches there. So that dark brown one is Bellatrix. The next one over is Ghost Entered the Host, right there. This one here is Unicorn Horn. And then this one that you cannot see that I've tried swatching is Not Rocket Science. That one does not swatch at all. I might have to scrape off the first top portion. Sometimes with certain shadows you have to do that. But it's definitely not swatching whatsoever. So I did pick this. I may regret it later, but that's okay. So it's still very pretty. It's cute. The packaging and everything is really nice. So that's the other thing that I picked. Then the last thing that I picked was the Sakura and Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette Seraphine Botanicals right there. That is one of the items, the last item that I picked, because you are allotted 3 items for this specific box. It says it's vegan, it's talc-free, mineral-free, parabens, phthalates, is that how you pronounce that? Gluten-free. It has primrose and sage oils, oregano, lavender, cherry blossom, and rosemary extracts with vitamin E and hypoallergenic. I thought this was really pretty, so I picked it. Obviously don't need another palette, but you know, this is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. It's a lot prettier in person than it looked on there. Let's just go ahead and swatch some. These do feel buttery. That's that silver. Right there, it's called silver. That is sparkle, which is that pinky toned one that was in there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let's do filigree, which is like a brown taupe. It's kind of weird, the shape of these, because you can't really get your finger into them. That's very pretty. And then let's do carob, which is like a bronzy shade. Right there. Very pretty. Okay, so I have high hopes for this palette. It's very, very pretty, the packaging and everything. So that was the third item that I picked for this month's IPSY bag. Okay, and then the last two items were picked by IPSY themselves. So I did get a beauty blender, which is always nice. And it came in a like plastic packaging, which is good. You guys are familiar with the beauty blenders. These retail, I think, for $20 regularly. But I always love getting those. That is a very nice thing. And then I got the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream at 0.5 fluid ounce right there. Let's flip it over this way. Looks like that. I've never heard of this brand. I'm definitely almost out of my eye cream I currently have right now, so I will let you guys know what I think when I give this a try. I have don't know of this brand or anything like that, but I will research it. But that is everything that I got in the September IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Again, I chose the first 3 items. The remaining items were chosen by IPSY, but overall I think I got my money's worth. Definitely happy about this one that I chose. This one, not so much. The darker shades were a little better, but that first shade was not that great. But I'm still happy with it. I think I got my money's worth, as well as this really pretty brush. I think that is really pretty as well. And I think that definitely was my box's price tag. The box is $25 plus tax a month, which is like $27 and some change. That is the overall price. I do have it down in my description below if you guys want to check it out and use my link. It doesn't pay me or anything. It just gives me points for future things that I want to get if you want to use a link, and if not, no worries. But this is going to complete this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you get this bag, what you got that was different than I got, or if we got something the same. Let me know that as well. This is going to complete this video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.